Welcome back to our special series on killer air, and diesel fumes are one of the most toxic to human health. 10 years ago, the Central Pollution Control Board set mandatory norms for power generators across the country. But as we investigate, a thriving grey market for assembled generators exists right in the capital, which continue to flout the law and add toxic fumes to our air.
ये कंप्लीट सेट है। ये अल्टरनेटर है, ये डीजल इंजन है। ये चलेगा, हैंडल से स्टार्ट होगा। ये 7.5 किलोवाट का है। इससे ज़्यादा क्षमता का फिर ये बड़े बड़े लगते हैं 20 के 25 के। ये इंडस्ट्री में लग जाते हैं।
इसमें कितना कुछ डीजल लगता होगा?
इसमें 1 घंटे में 1.5 लीटर लगता है। ये शादी ब्याह में भी होता है। लोग अपने जैसे ब्याह शादियों में टेंट के पीछे लगा देते हैं।
आवाज़ तो खूब होती है।
हाँ, आवाज़ होती है।
इसका कोई आवाज़ का
कुछ नहीं, सलेंसर लग जाता है, उससे आवाज़ आधी कम हो जाती है।
Kamaljeet Singh has been making and selling assembled generators for over 2 decades at Delhi's Sadar Bazaar. These assembled generators are illegal and don't adhere to any pollution or noise norms.
Each time there is a power cut in the city, in fact, this is the kind of scene that you'll see generators take over to try and provide that much needed power, but also with it, lots and lots of noxious fumes. Ujjwal Ghosh, one of those people who actually contacted NDTV, he wrote in to the Killer Air campaign that we're running.
This is supposed to be the poshest market in Noida, and whenever we come over here, we are confronted by these fumes and this sound, where we can't do anything peacefully. Every time these generators start working, the air, like these generators have just started working, and you can already smell the fumes. And what will happen when all these generators will start working? The worst part is that the moving parts are not covered. There is no protection around the moving parts. So if by chance any person gets near them, their clothes might get entangled and they might get hurt as well.
Powering homes, factories, construction sites and cell phone towers, the generator market has been growing at an estimated 10% every year. While there are no estimates for the illegally assembled generators sold across India, in 2013 alone, 1.2 lakh legally made diesel generators were sold in the country, made by a dozen manufacturers. But ironically, these ones sold don't require any annual inspection or certificate.
Well, I have to take my car to the PUC for the PUC certificate every 3 months. There should be a pollution control check, and whatever generators are sold should have some kind of a certification like a Bureau of Indian Standards.
It's not going to be an impossible task, is it?
Not at all, not at all. Whether you live in Lutyens, Delhi or whether you live in Noida, it is the same air you are breathing. So it is better that the government realizes the problem and takes action immediately.
As illegal generators continue to pollute, the Central Pollution Control Board has told NDTV the onus of implementing the norms are on the states. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.